Want to have quick access to important context right on your iPhone's home screen? Watch this video until the end, and I will not only tell you how to do it, but also share a little tip. And for that, as a first step, find Shortcuts app, which should be installed by default. But if not, you can just download it from App Store. Now, on the bottom of the display, you need to pick Shortcuts icon, and then click on this plus in the upper right to add new action. So use the Search Actions tab and manually input call, and then pick a person you want to add to your home screen. Now, if you want to change this person, just tap it right here and just select any other from your contacts list. After that, you can click on this arrow and rename this shortcut. For example, I can name it just Maddie. And then you need to click on this info icon and choose to add to home screen. Now, if you want to, you can change icon as well as symbol. And if you're satisfied, just click Add, and this shortcut icon will appear in your home screen. So basically, by tapping it, you can immediately call this person. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.